Now we need to talk about when we do not replace the marbles or whatever the object. So we'll say that this is not replaced. So we have the same amount of marbles in the bag. Well, if we're talking about the probability of yellow then blue, that means we're choosing a marble at random out of the bag, and we're trying to find the probability that the first one that we choose is yellow. We don't put it back into the bag, and then we choose a blue one with the second pull. So probability of us choosing a yellow one is 2/9. Well, now that we've taken one of those yellows out, there's only 8 remaining in the bag, so that means our denominator has changed to 8 now. And of those 8 remaining, 3 of them are blue. So now we're multiplying 2/9 by 3/8. We wind up with 6/72, which simplifies to 1/12. So that's if we do not replace the marbles. Let's look at another example where we have a red and then a yellow. Well, if we choose a red one first, that's 4/9. Well, we've taken one of those red ones out, so again, there's only 8 left in the bag. Of those, there are 2 that are yellow, so we got to multiply 4/9 times 2/8. We get 8/72, which simplifies to 1/9. Lastly, we need to talk about, just to clarify, we need to talk about what happened. What are the odds of us choosing something with the same color? So let's talk about finding the probability of us choosing a blue, not replacing it, and then another blue. Well, probability of us choosing a blue one to start off is 3/9. We've taken one of them out, which means that we have 8 left in the bag. We also took one of the blue ones out, so that means that there are only 2 blue ones left. So here, that changes that dynamic, which means we are multiplying 3/9 by 2/8. We get the numerator is 6, then the denominator is 72. After we simplify, the probability is 1/12. So I want you to tell me the probability of us getting a yellow and then a yellow, and that is without replacing it. Bring that answer along with any questions that you may have with you to class tomorrow.